A futuristic cityscape welcomes the 2025 Range Rover Sedan, a vision of sleek modernity gliding through the urban expanse. The vehicle's elegant silhouette, enhanced by its signature grille and piercing LED headlights, heralds a new dawn of automotive luxury. Across the scene, the declaration, 2025 Range Rover Sedan. A new era of luxury solidifies the vehicle's status as a pioneer of opulence. Within the Range Rover Sedan, unparalleled luxury unfolds through plush leather, real wood trims, and soft ambient lighting, creating an oasis of opulence. The curved OLED display illuminates the cabin, offering a seamless blend of technology and elegance. Massaging seats offer a sanctuary of relaxation, while rear passenger digital screens provide personalized entertainment. A sleek sedan dances through the winding road, each curve a testament to its exhilarating performance. The heralds. Exhilarating performance, up to 600 horsepower as the car dominates every turn. Advanced adaptive suspension ensures a ride as smooth as it is powerful, effortlessly absorbing every bump. Inside the Range Rover, cutting-edge technology merges with automotive prowess, showcasing autonomous driving and smart features. The vehicle's 360-4 camera system paints a comprehensive view of the surroundings. Remote parking transforms complex maneuvers into effortless simplicity. Amidst giants of the luxury sedan world, the Range Rover emerges, boldly challenging the established order. With sleek lines and an aura of sophistication, the Range Rover Sedan exudes confidence as it stakes its claim.